You also have tilapia. So the tilapia here, wow, 110 calories per 4 ounces, 23 grams of protein. Again, very low in everything pretty much, and very, very high in protein. And that's just a 4 ounce serving of it, so one fillet. I'm not the biggest fan of tilapia. Really, I'm not. As a matter of fact, I'm not the biggest fan of fish, period. But it's super good for you. And you can flavor it up and put some hot sauce on it. Put some burger sauce and burger seasoning on it. Ketchup. You could do. One of the things I like to do with fish is mix ketchup and one of my hot sauces over there. Because trust me, this hot sauce is something that you need to mix with something else. It's so good though. And then, so then I have some swai, which I actually might have tomorrow. The swai. 70 calories, 14 grams of protein per serving, 1 gram of fat. Everything else, again, still pretty low. It's low calorie though. But I'm not for sure if I'm going to do the swai or am I going to do the salmon or the tilapia. Sorry, because the tilapia, or which one is it? Is it the cod? The cod. Because the cod is 18 grams of protein for the same amount of calories. But I've not had swai before. And so then here we also have some salmon. Salmon is 21 grams of protein, 120 calories. Again, all the macros are very, very good. Salmon's got a little bit more fat in it, though. 3.5 grams of fat. And some saturated fats. But those, I mean, you don't lose weight eating a diet that doesn't have fat. You need fat, okay? You have to have it. As a matter of fact, I probably eat more fat now than I have before. And so, then, chicken leg quarters. These are actually my favorite. And right here, these are 18 grams of protein per serving. Serving's 4 ounces. And each one of these is probably like 6 ounces. So you get at least 4 servings, but each one of these is right around 1.5 servings. So you're getting closer to like 24 grams of protein. And what's the 240 calories? I do not eat the skin. So there's that. 18 grams of fat. And so now the macros on this are a little higher. There's a lot more fat in this than there is in the fish. So this will not be my meals for tomorrow. This one right here. Just because I'm feeling tomorrow that I want to try to be a little bit leaner. So I'm going to stick with the fish tomorrow. And I'm probably going to go with the swai, to be honest. And so in here also, now you have some 80-20, the Jennie-O ground turkey, or 90-10, sorry. The macros on this are actually pretty good too. 4 ounces. All the meats are pretty much 4 ounces. 190 calories. 12 grams of fat. 18 grams of protein. Sugars. So just some really good stuff. Got some ground beef here. And I think this is 90-10 or 80-20. There you go, 80-20. So the fat in here is going to be a little bit more. But you know what, though? Again, it's not. You don't get skinny by not eating fat. You get skinny by eating good fats. Choosing a. Actually, I probably eat more fat now than I did then. Hold on.